Looking for the right vehicle? Check out
the 2012 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either. Here are some of this vehicle's great options. Front license plate bracket. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.